little sparklers, welcome back to what is still the merriest place on the internet. Christmas may be over, but sparkling is not, clearly. Today I'm very excited because I got my very first My Christmas Crate subscription box. A Christmas all year long subscription box. It's called My Christmas Crate. I believe it's $29.99 a month. I feel like that's a thing I should know before I go unboxing it and reviewing it for you. It's fine. They do charge shipping, which kind of bummed me out a little bit. We're gonna check it out. I'm gonna do 3 months of it, see if we like it, whatever. I'm just holding scissors at you aggressively. Sorry. Let's get into it. We're opening it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh man. Ooh. Oh, it says it's here. Oh. It actually smells Christmassy. Is that just me really wanting it to smell Christmassy? I don't care. On the top, we have this thing that says it's here. There we go. That's our spoiler card. A special delivery from the elves. I don't want to see it. I just want to enjoy my box. This is what we see after I move the card. Oh, I love seeing festive things at a not festive time. The first thing I'm going for is this snowman thing. Wait, oh, it's way bigger than it looks. I think it's a napkin holder. This is too exciting. Oh, how cute is this? Okay, we have a snowman napkin holder. Sponge / napkin holder. Actually, I would probably be more likely to use this as like a sponge holder in the kitchen, you know, like, he's cute. Double-sided, very cute, smiley snowman. I like how like muted the colors are. He's not super bright. Oh, cute. Snowman napkin / sponge holder. Oh, wormy things. Great. Oh man, there's so much in here. What? This jingles. This looks like jewelry. A Christmas wish is granted to you with love and happiness, treasured and true. This tiny bell will continue to ring, a reminder of Christmas peace and joy it will bring. Hello, is this not just on brand for verymerrykim or what? Oh, tiny, subtle jingle bell. I'm going to wear this all year long. Literally could not have been a better thing for me. Are you even being serious? Yes, bracelet. Come here, friend. Come here. I'm gonna put you on. It's just the simplest, cutest little thing, but I love the whole idea behind it. Ooh. Oh, I love it. I'm the cutest. It's the little things in life, guys. Tiny jingle bells on your wrist. I'm so delighted right now. A+ on the box so far. Well done, My Christmas Crate. Right under that I see, these looks like gift tags by pebblesinc.com. Look at that cute face. I think they have all these designs in them. These will definitely be in use next year, for sure. 24 gift tags, very cute. All very, very Christmas specific, so there's not really a winter themed one that you could use for someone's birthday who happens to be in the winter. You get it. Very cute, and I will be utilizing these next year. They don't say if it's sticky, and it doesn't say if it comes with a string, so that will be a fun surprise when I go to use them. Cute gift tags, 24 assorted Christmas gift tags. Okay, I think this is the thing that is smelling so good. We have this thing wrapped in this thing. Nice. Oh, okay, that is what's smelling. It's a shea butter soap, Poinsettia shea butter soap. Oh yeah, that smells like soap. I feel like it's okay if your soap smells like soap. Artisanal soap made in England. Scent is holiday floral. Our triple milled soap is made of pure vegetable palm and glycerin and is enriched with moisturizing shea butter to provide a luxurious bath experience. Here's the thing with soaps, they smell amazing, but my skin can't handle fragrance at all. I'm lucky to get away with it in shampoo. I can handle it on my hand soap as long as I don't touch my face. Let's be honest. I'm probably gonna keep it and put it on a soap dish at Christmas time for people who can handle a fragrance to use. Super cute packaging. I'm digging the cardinals and the poinsettias, and oh, that's big. Why did I think that that was gonna be smaller than that? Come here, mama. Please come out of the box. I just want to look at you. It's got a little bit of a holiday scent, but it is very soapy smelling, which I'm totally fine with. Oh man, that is big. It's not as decorative as I thought it was gonna look. Michael's Design Works logo stamped on it, but that's nice. One step up from a fancy hotel soap. There's like hotel motel soap, and then there's like fancy hotel soap. This is one step up from fancy hotel soap. I think I'm gonna put this out now, actually. We're gonna like holiday my bathroom up secretly with soap. Ain't mad at that. We got lots of wormies, and then we're on to what I think is the last item. Yes, it is a fabric-y thing. Assuming a scarf, maybe. Nope, maybe table runner? It's a mystery, I don't know. How do I open you? Please let me in. Aha! Oh, it's got cute fringe on the end. All right, let's see. I think we have a scarf. Oh no, no, placemats? No. Who are you? What are you? Table runner? Giant rug. Are you folded in half one more time? Reveal your secrets to me. Oh, is it an infinity scarf? No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, if it's not an infinity scarf, I might just turn it into one. We are very happy right now. No. I love it. I have to check if it's an infinity scarf though, because I might be wearing a tablecloth around my neck. Infinity scarf. It's soft, it's thin, which is nice because sometimes if they get too thick, it's like you can't wear them with a cute outfit. You have to take them off if you get warm. You know what though? Before we like sum up everything, I have to show you why I love specifically infinity scarves and not just like, I mean, I love all scarves, but infinity scarves are special. You can do this with them and you have like a elegant old-timey hood. Feel fancy, but also keep your hair nice. My favorite thing about infinity scarves is I can kind of turn them into this hoodie thing because listen, sometimes it's freezing and like keeps your ears warm and keeps your hair dry if it's snowing, and also just like elegant. I look like a lady who's put together and knows what she's doing when I am none of those things. Well, I am a lady person, so I'm none of the other things. I am delighted. I got an infinity scarf. Could not be happier with this box. Let's go through what we got. The Poinsettia Large Bath Soap by Michael Design Works. This triple milled soap is enriched with moisturizing shea butter and healing aloe vera. Ooh, nice. Made of pure vegetable, palm oil, and glycerin, this soap features a festive linen, holly, and winter floors with a dash of eucalyptus and rain. We also have the infinity scarf in popular buffalo check pattern. Indeed, super popular. A perfect addition to your winter wardrobe, guaranteed to keep you warm and stylish at the same time. I do feel very stylish. Merry Little Christmas 24-piece gift set tagged by Pebbles. Those are the gift tags. Your gifts will look oh so festive with these heavy-duty tags featured in 6 different styles. I like that they're heavy-duty because if you got kids, cats, dogs, whatever, your gifts get beat up a little bit sometimes under the tree, so heavy-duty tags are great. Keep your dish soap conveniently at hand with the help of this jolly snowman holder. This Dolomite design is durable and simple to clean when needed and brings a touch of cheer to every kitchen. Well, yes. And it's a snowman, so you can leave it out until like April. It's the gift of a Christmas wish that you can carry with you everywhere you go. This red bracelet's cord is finished with a tiny bell that rings as a reminder of Christmas peace and joy in the new year. It's a special keepsake to wear all year long, including a card printed with lovely sentiment. Also makes a great pass-along gift to a loved one. Pfft, I'm keeping it. My favorite items are definitely a tie between the bracelet and the scarf. This box was a win for me. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a little nervous going into this with the box. I just wasn't sure if it was gonna be worth the money. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be that exciting. I wasn't sure if the items were gonna be things I was gonna love. With subscription boxes, there's hits and misses, you know, things you love and things that just aren't your thing, which is fine, but I was just worried that things were gonna be more not my thing than my thing. But I'm just excited. That was really cool, and I think it's just great that there is a box to keep the Christmas magic alive all year long, because that's the point of what we're doing here. That's just great. I thought my lights were doing something funny. They're not. I love it. I'm glad I have some more coming. I also ordered the mini crate, which was a one-time thing, and it's just little, and that should be here in a few days, so we'll unbox that when it gets here. If you don't want the fun to end, you can undecorate all of my Christmas trees with me. I did a whole video taking them all down, click or tap right here, and yay, get some tips, all that jazz. And for a little more Christmas magic, you can click or tap down here. Till we meet again, sparkle on. Holiday floral. I got hair, bit of hair. And also, I'm not wearing any pants.